Alright, so this morning we're going to do a little bit of prop testing with the Suzuki 25. I got the stock 10 1/4 inch by 11 pitch on there right now, out in the lake. Got the GPS set. And the next prop's going to be a 15 pitch. 10 1/4 by 15 pitch. I went big and I didn't go home. So let's try this top speed run here. Because on this boat, which weighs nothing, my RPMs are topped out at half throttle. So, looking to get a little more speed at the same RPM. Alright, there's my 11 pitch track. Maximum speed was 30.5 with the 11 pitch. Alright, let's run home. Throw the 15 on it. Full tank of gas also. Throw the 15 on it and see what happens. I wish I had a tack on this one, but I don't. So there's the 10 1/4 by 11 pitch OEM Suzuki. And unfortunately, the one I got is an off-brand, I believe, Chinese, I don't really know. But let's give it a shot, see if it's any better or any worse for that matter. That's the label from the shipping box on the new prop. Purchased off eBay, of all places. Alright, out with Z old, in with Z new. Let's try it out. This motor is awesome. If anybody's considering buying one, just buy it. Write the check. So on my way out to the lake at the spot where I started the last test, and then I shoot towards them boat lifts over there. Yeah, it definitely struggled to turn a 15 pitch prop. I've never messed with props before. It did not rev out like the other one at half throttle. It needed all the throttle, and it still wasn't revved out. We're on a speed test, but I'm thinking I might need that 13 pitch prop, heavy medium. We'll see. Okay, GPS is set. Takeoff is fine. All right, so here's the 15 pitch. Top speed 30.3. So the other 11 pitch was 30.5, but I can't get enough RPM out of this one. Thinking I'm just gonna order the 13, be done with it. Well, it's another new day, a few days later. Ordered me up a 13 pitch aluminum, 10 1/4 by 13. I sent that 15 pitch back. It was gonna be no use to me. Let's go test her out, see what happens. All right, well, the wind's coming out of the south today, so I'm at a different spot. GPS is started. Let's run it with the 13 pitch, shall we? There it is, 13 pitch, maximum speed 29.6. It definitely was better than the 11 because the 11 pitch it was just screaming, but the 15 it wouldn't rev out. So I think we're gonna be good. I'm gonna try the speed run downriver, see what happens. It's windy out here right now, so. It's all pretty much the same, a 13 pitch downriver, maximum speed was 30.1. So they're all about the same. I definitely like this one because the motor's not screaming as much as the 13 pitch. But now they got me wondering, should I try a 14? Stay tuned.